Becoming a millionaire in any job requires a combination of financial discipline, smart investing, and potentially exploring additional income streams. While the specific path will vary depending on your profession and financial circumstances, here are some general tips to help you work towards becoming a millionaire in your current job. Increase your earnings. Look for opportunities to increase your income within your current job. This might involve seeking promotions, taking on additional responsibilities, or acquiring new skills that make you more valuable to your employer. Invest wisely. Develop a sound investment strategy to make your money work for you. Research different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Live below your means. Practice frugality and live below your means. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing a significant portion of your income. Create a budget. Establish a budget that outlines your income and expenses. Stick to this budget to ensure you are saving consistently and avoiding overspending. Maximize retirement contributions. Take full advantage of retirement savings accounts such as 401ks or IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help grow your wealth over time. Avoid high-interest debt. Pay off high-interest debts as quickly as possible. High-interest debt can be a significant obstacle to building wealth. Explore additional income streams. Look for opportunities to generate additional income beyond your primary job. This could involve freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in real estate. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Knowledge is a powerful tool in making informed financial decisions. Network and seek mentorship. Network with successful individuals in your field and seek mentorship from those who have achieved financial success. Learning from others' experiences can be valuable in your journey. Stay committed and patient. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Stay committed to your financial goals, remain patient, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Remember that becoming a millionaire is a long-term goal that requires dedication and perseverance. It's essential to develop a solid financial plan, stay focused on your objectives, and adapt to changes along the way.